Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jim. I wanted to give y'all the second half of this video that I promised y'all. Once I did the first one that I uploaded maybe a week ago or so. What I did is I added a small authorized user line of AU for sure on here to populate a score. I wanted to show y'all that the lines will post onto these with no problem. It will produce a credit score. And once you get your credit scores, you'll be able to go ahead and start to apply for things. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to keep this as short to the point as possible. So what I did is I had a care credit line added to this just to populate a score. I'm gonna go ahead and add some primaries on later, and then we're gonna apply for a few lines of credit. I'm gonna do a video on that too. And I'm going to actually show you the cards that I get approved for with the actual cards and everything else, so you guys know that this is real, it works. And I'm even going to log into the credit accounts once I get them, just so you can see the limits and you'll know everything else is real. All the names, dates, addresses will match and everything else just like before. Alright, so I'm going to go over and I'm going to log into my Credit Karma, because what I did is I had already set it up, and so I had to do a pull, a soft pull. So I used credit.com, and then once I did that, my scores populated on Credit Karma a day or so later. I had got an email notification saying I had to change to my credit report, which I already knew what it was. So I'm gonna go log in there now, and then you guys can see exactly what I had done. Okay, as you can see, I'm on this Credit Karma site. So I'm gonna go and log in here, and you guys can see exactly what I've been doing here. I just wanted to, add a line of credit on here, just to show you guys, that this is possible. So I'm gonna go in here and log in here. Hopefully it should just pop in there. Okay, great. Alright, because I had to, pull this originally with a different site, because sometimes Credit Karma won't automatically update. So sometimes you got to do a little soft pull, which is what I did on the credit.com. So the scores aren't all that great because it's just a little small AU line, but it did populate. But we're going to beef this up pretty good. But I just want you guys to see. Alright, so as you can see here, as before I didn't have a score, now I have a score of 683 across the board. Alright, now granted, this is not a FICO score, it's just a Vantage score. A Vantage score is not really what a FICO is. It's just a score. I can't really explain to you what it is. This is not real. If you want a real FICO score, you're gonna have to use a site that's paid for it. Like Credit Tech Total, My FICO, etc. This site is paid for by the sponsors that want you to apply for the credit card, so they give you a free credit report. So that's why it's a Vantage score. All right. So as you can see right here, this December 28th, no score. Same thing on the 24th, 4th of February, February 18th. This is when that line was posted on the 25th. So, and I pulled it and it populated on the 27th, 2 days after. Same thing on Equifax. No score on the 18th, 25th, and it reported on the 27th. All right, so we can just go in here and look at the line real quick. Be done and over with this. Let's scroll down here. Alright, so we got 100% payment history, 6 months of credit history. One pull, which you guys seen, was the inquiry from before, and that was the same one I showed you the last time. So, alright, so now let's look at the accounts. Rather, the one account that I added on here. So we're going to just scroll down, go into accounts. It'll populate in a second. Shows you 1 of 1. It's in good standing. went down too far too fast. Synchrony Care Credit right here. So we're gonna open this up. It's got a $4,000 limit. This is one of my own lines. I didn't buy this or purchase this from nobody. I have my own AU lines. So here it is right here. Synchrony Care Credit. And there's really nothing else you can pretty much say on here. It is what it is. It shows you it was open August 30th, 2016. There's no late payments or anything on this line. You can actually buy this line too if you want. It's pretty cheap. This is also one of the easiest ways to get a score real quick when you're building. So that's what it is. You can see it, and everything else is great. So just guys, let me know what you want to do, and I hope this video helped and show you that things are real and you actually can succeed with a CPN. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe, hope you share, and hope you follow, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.